Damn this dusty room, this hazy afternoon. I'm breathing in this silence like never before. This feeling that I get, this one last cigarette, doesn't lay awake and wait for you to walk out the door. Maybe I can share it with you. I'll behave so I could share it with you. You were not alone till loneliness you forgot, but I remember they're so strange, stranger things have happened, I know. Dream about somewhere, the smoke will fill the air as I lay awake and wait for you to walk out the door. I can change, but who you want me to be? I'm the same, but do you want me to be?
Thank you.